I think it's this thing of the resolution between what seems to be a dichotomy between the idea that we're all connected as one and we're all separate. This idea of, in yoga they talk about duality versus non-duality. I think we really are all connected as one universal consciousness, which is a non-dual state, they might say. And it's really good to always acknowledge that. But you can't live like that. You have to also acknowledge that there's individuals. Otherwise you might say, we are all connected as one, and in fact we're so connected, tonight I'm going to eat all the food, but because we're connected you're going to experience the food through my eating it. Actually, you have to acknowledge that people have separate existences and you have to share as well. So the realization that we have an ego, that we have a self, but we're also connected as others, and that both can exist at the same time. Be connected with others, recognize you have an individual consciousness, and acknowledge that, look after that, but also acknowledge everyone else's existence is just as precious and just as important. That's probably the most important thing, I think, to recognize as an individual, if that makes sense.
Total sense.